Here's how to fix GeForce or NVIDIA app cannot optimize games on this PC. So first you want to open the NVIDIA app, and then you want to go to the settings, and then you want to scroll down and make sure you have automatically optimized newly added games and apps is checked or enabled. And then you want to make sure the scan locations are set correctly. So you want to have proper scan locations to look for. For example, your program files and any other specific folders where games might be installed. Now you can click on add and navigate to folders where you have games or maybe on other drives, and then add them all here. Now you can click on scan now again, and once the scan is completed, try to launch the game and see if that solves the issue. Now if that still does not help you, what you can do is close the NVIDIA app, right click on the start button and then open run. Now in here you want to type %sign local app data, %sign, and press enter. And then you want to look for NVIDIA app folder or NVIDIA Corporation, double click on it, and then double click on NVIDIA app. And then if you find a folder called CEF cache, you want to right click on it and then click delete folder. Now if you cannot delete the folder, make sure NVIDIA app is not running in the background, so you can open Task Manager and look for NVIDIA app or NVIDIA related processes and then end them, or right click on end task. Now you can come back again and try to delete the folder, and that should allow you to delete it. Now you should simply close this. Now once you do that, you will need to search for your NVIDIA app, right click on it, and then click run as administrator and then confirm. Now you'll need to select the preferred driver based on what you do with the computer. So for gamers, use game-ready driver, and for people or creators or devs, use NVIDIA Studio driver. So in this case, I'm going to use the game-ready driver. Click on next, and then make sure optimized games and creative apps is checked or enabled, and then click next. And then if you want to enable NVIDIA overlay, you can check it, and then click on done. Now you want to go to drivers and make sure you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver downloaded and installed on your computer. Now you want to go to settings again and press scan now to scan for games and apps. And then you can try to launch the game again. You can also go to the home tab and then under library, launch the application or the game that you're trying to optimize from here. By pressing the launch button, you can also click on the settings to see the settings or the optimizations that you can do, as well as there is a little icon that appears on the top under the icon of the app or the game, which says the app is optimized or not. You can also revert if you don't like the optimizations. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.